I am confident that the whole history of the human race contains no such horrible episode as this.
Baby, what you gonna do? There's a war going on now, and they blame it on you and me. Talk about safety, freedom, democracy. I don't believe them. You know, if they want my vote, they got to try a little bit more harder. You can't talk peace when you're making war. Too much of this hot gossip.
Something going on, a riot going on. Until the crack of dawn, I'm going.
We got to get down right now. Get on up and shut this shit down.
Shut it down.
It's much more than black and blue. It's death and destruction. And how much does it cost?
Burning up the roof, you're lying on the truth. You got the dying proofs, you got them fooling you. So who the hell is you to tell them what to do? I'm not backing a bit of what you have a fit. You hot gossip, I hear you talking loud. Can you hear me now? Can't hear you now. You try to sell us out, what is that about? Or try to blow us up? Government, what's up? What's up? Bombing people down to dust. God you trust, you say do my bust. So we gotta fuss. Hot gossip, we ain't gotta sip. You ain't gonna trip.
Men, women, and children were designated a threat to state security.
I got the blues alright. I feel so bad.
Bad.
People, we got to get on up.
We gotta get up
and shut this down.
Bass.
Cause it ain't right. And I know
when they wrong, they wrong.
that there's something better out there.
Tell them in the song.
Cause baby, I love you. And see the sky outside open up, and everything turn blue.
Come on! Gotcha!
Come on!
Have it! Got the blues! What you got to say?
I got the blues!
What is it good for?
So bad!
What is it good for?
All your hot gossip!
Tell me!
Give me red, white, and blues!
You can see the tracer bullets coming up fast. Fantastic!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be here tonight with you, everybody. I want to say hello and welcome to the party. We are Blues Explosion and want to play some rock and roll. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the devil's music, but it feels like the devil's time. And we are not in the service of the devil, but sometimes I feel his sick whiff on my behind. I see, I feel so bad sometimes. I want to sing about it in my song. I want everybody. I said I want everybody. I want someone to help me with these blues. I'm gonna hang up my rock and roll shoes, take one in the head and one off the wrist. and pay some dues. But I'm so tired of all this misery. Come on, please, baby, set me free. Burn these clothes, throw away this key. Kiss me now, honey. Set me free. Damn, if your mind is all your hell. Well, what good is wine when your soul is hell? I'll see the sky turn red. Feel that earth does move well. And I know in my heart, I said I need help with these blues.
One young German risked execution to compile a photographic record of what he was witnessing.
Put the freak on. I'm that funky girl. That dirty elf. Nasty boy. I'm that funky gremlin. I live in a funky gremlin house. I do everything backwards. How you rock? Never smiling. I'm much more funkier than most. Way deep in my heart, I thrust a spear and split it apart. Sorrow is my middle name. Misery, my calling card. The funky gremlin shall be my name. Put the freak on. Addicted to pain. Put the freak on. Moving slow like molasses. Put the freak on. Got it. Doing the same things over and over. I'm no use to anybody. I'm cursed, truly lost. Done got broke, got covered with moss. God herself has forsaken me. The blues have taken me. Yes, whatever you thought, put the freak on. All hope is lost.
I was seized by terror, overcome by dizziness, as if the earth were collapsing on both sides of me into an abyss.